Alright guys, what's up? Finally it's filled. I thought this was a nice mixer, but I guess you guys didn't agree. Well, besides the people that are in the break. But it took a minute to fill, but whatever. It is what it is. We got it full. Appreciate you guys jumping on the minis. But I thought it was a nice mix with the Mosaic and the Prestige, and then a little bit of Optic Fire. But it is what it is. I was dropping some, not dimes, but some frames, but I think we might be okay. So far, it looks so good. We'll go through the checklist and see. Hopefully I don't have to reboot. Alright. The list up. 128, 101, 258. Only two teams not in it are the Buccaneers and the Bengals. Everyone else is in. Alright, Cardinals going to Corey. Falcons, John Scrum. Ravens, PJ. Bills going to Vinny. Panthers, Jim Jennings. Bears, John Scrum. Bengals to Eric. Brownies going to Jimmy. Cowboys to Corey. Broncos to Keith. Lions to Kevin. Packers, Matthew. Texans to Richard. Colts, Adrian Whitehall. Jaguars, Vinny. Chiefs, Jason T. Raiders going to Corey. Chargers, Matthew. Rams to Jim Jennings. Dolphins, PJ. Vikings, Adrian W. Patriots going to Richard. Saints to Kevin. And the Giants. Jets going to Joseph. Jets. Eagles, John. Steelers going to Lucas. I think Lucas turned into a Steelers fan. Uh-oh. 49ers going to Money. Mark Thomas. Seahawks, Keith. Buccaneers, Eric. Titans, Keith with the big mini hit. And the Washington Commanders going to Adrian. Alright, everybody. Hopefully this mixer pulls some fire. That first box of Mosaic was pretty nice. The very first box of Prestige was nice back a couple weeks ago. I think we pulled Hutchinson out of that. So we'll see what's in this one. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Let's start with 2021. Will Disley. Bunch of people got cut today. I'm sure there are going to be some moves made. McCourty, Marshall, Melvin Gordon, Barry, Amos, Matos. How many times can we flip it around? Deontay, Cameron Jordan, J.C. Horn for the Panthers. See if he bounces back this year. Our green. Josh Allen for the Jags. A Fireworks of Barkley. So nothing crazy in that. Cellos this year been kind of disappointing from what we've opened. Green's not numbered. You guys aren't getting a bonus pack after taking 4 days to fill. They're on the way. Jimmy's putting some together right now for us, which I appreciate. I think I have a baseball and a basketball one left. So the next baseball or the next basketball that goes up, I'll throw in the bonus pack. But Jimmy is currently working on some bonus packs for us, and I appreciate it. Tunsil for the Texans. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Not a rookie. Levante David. So nothing crazy in the red, white, or blue either. Alright, let's see Optic. Jim Jennings mystery packs are fire. Looking for downtowns, and there are some mem in these, but you can pull a downtown out of retail and autos, which is cool. Unlike Prism, I don't think I see an auto pulled out of Prism this year. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Is that dude gonna get in trouble? I guess not. Denzel Mims looks like he's about to get traded. I guess that's what I hear. Rated rookie Greg Rousseau for the Bills, and a red hot rookie of Javonte Williams for the Broncos. Denver was a mini hit. That's going to Keith. So that's a nice insert. And Buffalo was V. Alright, we'll do Prestige after this. And then Mosaic last, because that's the guaranteed 2 autos. The H2 is not guaranteed any autos. We did pull one out of the other box I had. Claypool. Melvin Gordon. Kyle Pitts, that's a nice little rookie for Atlanta. And then a purple rated rookie. Jimmy! I am still giving you chubs, brother. How about a pink Pulsar? A little card dust in there. Get that out of there. Chuba's still on fire. I think this is going to be the most rookies I have to send you in one package. It's been a Chuba kind of past 2 breaks. That's pretty crazy. Now Pitts, not bad. Okuda! Man, this kid's been hurt since he left Ohio State. Hopefully he stays healthy this year. A Jalen Darden, rookie for Tampa. Oh, Trey Sermon for the 49ers on the Gridiron Kings. They're teasing us. And then a silver, Michael Carter. Of course. With dimples all around. So the same thing. Dimples like crazy. What is that crap? How does that happen to the silver cards? A buddy of mine pulled a trade, or Mac Jones, and it same thing, had a bunch of dimples in it. Do better, Panini. They're just trying to produce as much stuff as they can because they know they're going to be screwed in a couple years. So their quality control is schnit right now. Just my opinion. Plus, it's retail, so they probably don't give that much crap because it's so overly produced. Akins. Bonos. Elijah Mitchell, rated rookie for the 49ers. So they're teasing us with that Trey Lance. We got a rated rookie behind him. Going to the Panthers and Tommy Tremble. The Panthers are still on fire, Jim. Jesus. I can't make this stuff up. I pulled more Carolina Panthers rookies in the past 2 breaks than I think I did all year. Last one, I believe it was 9, and 5 of them are Chubas. Unbelievable. How about some more base Panthers? Matos, Curtis Samuel, rated rookie. That's going to the Titans and Caleb Farley. And a pink, Eagles, Kenneth Gainwell. Eagles, John Scrum on the pink. Titans, Keith in the mini hit. Well, you're looking for that bigger hit out of the 2022 with the Titans. All right, last pack of Optic retail. This box has been decent. Just need a big name to end it. Not Mark Brunell. Tua, rated rookie. That'll work. Jamar Chase going to the Bengals. And that's Eric Conley. Base hit. Behind it, a little Patrick Mahomes silver. So Jamar showed up. Eric, I'm sure, will be happy about that. Too bad it wasn't the silver. Still a couple bucks for the base, right? I'm sure. Alright, so that Optic box was better. Decent. Alright, we'll do Prestige. Okay, drop frames are dropping. I mean, not dropping, so that's good. So this will be a look. Some of these, the rookies, at least have the NFL teams. Unlike the Mosaic that's next, it's all college. Luminance, I got 2 boxes of that coming. I got it from a place in Columbus, so it should be here. I think they'll ship tomorrow. Probably get here one day because it's Columbus, hopefully. Unless they send it through the post office. Then I'll try to get it next Friday. But we're hoping not. Stuff looks pretty nice this year. They all kind of thick, I guess they are. Yeah, just a bunch of cards. Oh, there's our buddy Cole Kmet. Pretty soon we're gonna find out who our rookie of the year in box break will be and who I'm gonna pull the crap out of. It's been tight ends the past 2 years, Cole Kmet, and then followed up by, of course, Pat Freiermuth, which was lovely because, you know, I love the Steelers. So, we should find out shortly who our box break rookie of the year is going to be. James Conner. Marino. Fletcher Cox. What we got here coming up? Going to the... Oh, first we got Tyreek Hill on the insert. I'll go to the Dolphins. Me and my tight ends. 5 out of 49 for the Raiders. Prestigious. Extra point purple on this one. Ooh, nice rookie behind him. Little Derek Carr. So the last team in the break gets a little numbered hit. I believe that is Corey with the mini. Last team get a little numbered card there. Yes, Corey. That was 52 out of 149. But here's a rookie that's supposed to be up and coming, or has a lot of potential. A little Malik Willis for the Titans. That's why the Titans are expensive. So base rookie Keith. You didn't get a notification? How? I don't get it either. Well, like, I'm not even joking. Like, I put this up Saturday, and it only had like 120 views. But then the Rip It card that Lucas put up in one day had 512 views. So I'm like, how is... I think they blocked my name. So the next break, I'm going to put up under my wife's name, just as a little experiment, and see if the views go up more. Because I don't understand how the Dare to Tear card had 500 views, but the break view was only like at 120. So I'm going to do a little experiment just to see if you see her post and I got some kind of block on mine or something, or they just don't like me. I don't know. We'll figure it out, hopefully. But it's been like that for... You guys aren't the only ones saying that, so... Or you'll get notifications like 3 days later. Logan Hall for the Tampa Bay rookie. Hey, it could be a $10 card by the end of the year, Keith. And we got a Javonte Williams powerhouse for the Broncos. And then a little Legends, Living Legends, Donald Driver for the Packs. Green Bay Packs. Packers, same difference. Alright. Yeah, so the wife might get annoyed because she's probably going to have like 1,000. We'll try to do a simple box just to see if the views... If you guys see the post, and then if you do, then I don't know. I'm gonna have to start posting as the box break name and see if that works or something. Oh, look at that! Right on top, going to the Browns. Deshaun, touch my taint, Watson. Jimmy, is that gonna go in one of your mystery packs? Oh boy. See you in 11 games, buddy. Well, we'll probably be 3-8, I'm guessing. Nah, maybe 4-7. Because Jacoby ain't the one. Touch my taint. Watson. That was good. On spot. One touch. Jimmy, he wants more than one touch. Ayo! Okay, I'm done. That's enough Brandon Cooks. Alright. It's funny I could rip on my own team like that because they're just a mess. Hunter Henry. Padre Diggs. And on the shiny rookie, that is Romeo Dubs. Rookie from, where is he from? Nevada. So, Green Bay. Look at this little extra point. Smoking Joe Montana. That is going to be 176 out of 199. That is a smaller, because Prestige can get up there in like 499s for the number cards. So the Niners going to Mark Money Thomas. Lucas, I'm not arguing it, brother. I agree with you. Totally. They did it to themselves. We could have gave Baker another top receiver with our draft picks. Gave him a healthy year, but nope. All right, rookie for the Vikings, Louis Seen from Georgia. Here's this guy, Adrian Hutchinson. I know Kevin Molnar would be happy. A little base auto. Kid looks like to be a beast. Too bad his college team sucks. So there you go, base Hutchinson, Kevin. Going to the Rams. A little Ramsey. Haha, Ramsey. Insert. And then a little Kyler Murray, franchise favorites. The corner's a little ding there somehow, some way. Can I write pervert on the card, Jim, and then ship it to you? Jalen Johnson, Pitts, Antonio Gates, Najee, shiny, DeAndre Hopkins, rookie, or no, he was rookie last year, wasn't he? That's what I was talking about. The Jalen Phillips red, numbered to 499, 165. Out of 499. Corey, my bad. I don't want to lose customers. Greg Dulcich? Maybe he's a tight end. Could this be the beginning? Could this be the beginning for the Broncos? That guy, I bet you he's in a bunch of stuff coming up. Trey McBride for the Cardinals, rookie. He's a tight end. I can see him being it, too. I can see him being it. There's a little insert of Cooper Cup highlight reel. He sure is. Boy's pretty good. And then a living legend, Javon Curse. And our kid reporter. Alright. Come on. Maybe we'll get lucky and get another auto. Best kicker right now, probably in the game, Justin Tucker. The Browns rookie, supposedly he's kicking it 70 plus yards, and we'll see what he does in the games. Edwards, Manning, Galladay. Going to the Rams, Bobby Wagner, which I don't think he's on the Rams anymore, right? Or no, he's on the Rams now. That's right. He was on Seattle. So another weapon for the Rams. Number, Tony Pollard. Going to the boys. 350 out of 499. Another short print. I'm not putting a 499 card in the top loader. Sorry, guys. They're too expensive. Jordan Davis. Nice rookie there. For the Eagles. Stud. We got Tyler Batty for Baltimore. Joey B. Insert. And Jameson Williams, so that's going to Detroit, right? That's a sweet insert. The Heart of Dixie. Nice card there. And a kid reporter. Or no, is he the Jets or Detroit? I know Detroit got a couple of receivers, but so did Detroit. I mean, Jets. Detroit, that's what I thought. Who's the other receiver besides Wilson that's in the Jets? I know they drafted a couple, didn't they? Trojans here. What's up, buddy? Patrick Queen. Trayvon Diggs. Cooper. Danny Dimes. T. Higgins. Insert. Is he hurt? Oh, he had that injury. That was pretty bad, right? We got a green. What number is that to? A little shorter print. Rookie for Green Bay. Devontae Campbell. 76 out of 249. That one's just in case. Yeah, Eric. That's why I hate Score. And Legacy wasn't as bad this year, but Score is going to be... I don't even know if I'm going to break Score this year because it's 10 packs, 40 cards, 90 rookies. That's 90 people. Probably only 25 of them I would know by name. So that means I'm going to spend 3 hours looking up rookies. Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Not this guy. Here's our buddy and John's favorite rookie QB because it won him the 101. Desmond Ridder from Cincinnati going now to Atlanta. He looked pretty good in preseason. He might win that job or if somebody gets hurt. Nice Ridder base. Insert of Mike Evans, Living Legends, Randy Moss. Alright, we're halfway through. No autos yet. That's why with this mosaic box, at least there's not that many cards, and there's veteran in there, so it won't take me as long. Christian McCaffrey. But when you get 400 cards and 90 of them are rookies without the team. Who is this guy? I've never heard. Fairburn? The kicker for Houston has a card. What? Tom Brady. You guys think he was on The Masked Singer? Did you hear that rumor? He said, I'm 45, I got a lot of schnick going on. Don't we all, Tom? Don't we all have millions of dollars and a model wife and all the endorsements? We all got a lot of shit going on, right? F off, Quinnen Williams. And then this little rookie for Carolina. So Carolina's still staying a little toasty. Their offensive tackle, Ikem Ikwanu. So, cool card, Jim. Our numbered is going to Dallas. Dak on the blue. That's 58 out of 299. Dallas was a mini hit. Corey. Rookie for Green Bay. So Green Bay, plenty of rookies for Green Bay. Devontae Watt on the base, rookie. For Buffalo, Elam, cornerback. Well, here's a Brady that's going to the Patriots. 34 out of 28. Or that was, oh, that's the Super Bowl. That wasn't numbered. So that's just a, we'll sleeve it up though. It is Brady and the Patriots. What'd I say? Did they? I thought Ritter did good. Here's a nice Heroes. Those are sweet cards. And I'm sure Jimmy will like that. So Jim is staying on fire. Cooper Kupp on the Heroes. I just love these cards. I don't think their value is really there, but I just think they're cool looking cards. Cooper Kupp. Yeah, pretty much the last preseason games I really didn't even... I know Justin Fields lit the Browns up for like 3 touchdowns, which... if that's things to come, that's scary. David Njoku for the Brownies. Kelsey. Montez. Tyler Lockett. There is the tight end. I wouldn't mind if that tight end that I pull all the time was this guy, just because he's a Buckeye. Jeremy Ruckett. Going to the Jets. I think the kid will have a good... he stays healthy. It should be a decent tight end in the NFL. He just got better every year at Ohio State, so I know. Jets, I think... who got the Jets this break? Joseph. Vinny, a couple rookies for the Bills, but nothing crazy. You know what I mean, Lucas. Billionaire Supermar Williams. Rookie for Dallas, Jaquarian Robertson. This is the guy I pulled. So this is the second one. Khalil Shakir. So that's 2 base of him, Vinny. For the Giants, we got Wan'Dale Robinson. Wan'Dale. Super tight ends. Oh, God, I walked into that one, huh? Eli. Any given Sunday, I guess. Insert. And a nice little Joey B. Silver. Youth Movement. Alright, 3 packs left, and we get to the Mosaic. Super tight ends. You guys are something else. You guys don't let anything slip. I'll tell you that one. Bolden, T-Law, Evans. How many times can we do this? Theismann. Another one. Then we got, for the Seahawks, here's Keith's boy. Kenneth Walker III. He's supposed to be, he has potential. So nice little rookie of him. On the shiny, sparkly card. Seattle going to Keith. I know he has potential. And then we got a blue, Devontae Watt going to Green Bay. That was 50 out of 299. And my boy, hopefully, He will be Jacoby Brissett's #1 receiver. For the Brownies, a little David Bell. So they went with David Bell and Deshaun Watson instead of one of the Ohio State receivers or one of the other guys in Baker. Evan Neal for the Giants, rookie. Insert DK, Powerhouse, and another Dak insert. Alright, 2 packs. Jamal Williams, Detroit. Is there a card there? No. Carlson, Marvin Jones, Von Miller. For Detroit, I gotta see their name at first. Tracy Walker. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Coming up. What is that, #2? So this is a shorter print with Prestige. So it's Joey B, 41 out of 75 going to the Bengals. You guys have seen how many numbered? The 299 and 499 and 250. So 75 is a shorter print. And that's a pretty sweet looking card, I don't say, if I don't say it myself. Bengals. Eric, right? I believe? Yes. Sweet looking card. Rookie for the Dolphins. Eric Zukanama. I wonder if some of you guys are even on the team. Another Buffalo rookie, James Cook. So Buffalo, a couple base rookies that I remember. Inserts, Roquan Smith, Powerhouse. And there's a Trey Lance. Youth Movement Trey Lance. Going to the Niners. '49ers? Mr. Chubb, a 4th tier running back according... Was that ESPN that rated him a 4th tier? Okay, we'll see your 4th tier week 1, buddy. Unbelievable. No respect. No respect. Chris Jones. Aaron Jones. DK. Oh, God! There's the first Mitch Trubisky card. Holy shit, that's a sweet card coming up. Jimmy, you're going to be happy. Ew. Going to the Steelers. Mitch Trubisky. There's this first Steelers card that I pulled. There you go, Lucas. Here on the Heroes, this one is going to be numbered going to the Rams. Matthew Stafford, 245. See, why is it to 449? And it's a little off-centered, I'd say. Why is that numbered so high? That's a sweet card, but you're numbering it that freaking high. So, 245 out of 449 on that one. Jets, a little Breece Hall. Baltimore, Isaiah Likely. Tight end. Watch it. It'll probably be this guy because he's Baltimore and a tight end. A little. I don't want Jim to focus on that. Just look at the card, Jim. Don't look at the center. Jesus Christ. Tyler Lockett. And Sam Howell. Last team he was on was Washington. I don't know if he got cut, but it'll probably go to Washington. I'm not sure if he made the team. But that'll be where that card will go. I gotta grab some more real quick. I didn't realize how much supplies this break was gonna take. Alright, Mosaic, knock on wood, there's 2 autos in this. That first box, there were some numbered cards that were pretty nice. Oh. Alright. Two packs in this. Pretty simple. It was just that website exclusive a couple weeks ago, 10 days ago or so. Empty box. Oh, is that who I'm thinking of? No, there's no knock on the door. Not yet. Baker, of course, leading it off. That'll be going to Carolina and Jim Jennings. When's that first Baker card going to be in a Carolina jersey, Jim? Let me guess. One touch this one too. Dan Marino. Nakobe Dean rookie. Is that Giants? I'm not even going to attempt unless we get a big name. Like I said, I'll have to look these up. Mike Williams. Brian Robinson. Isn't that the kid that just got shot? I think we pulled his auto in the first box. Brian Robinson Jr., I believe is Washington. That was a crazy story. He got carjacked. Cooper Kupp on the Eastern Washington University. Wan'Dale Robinson, I believe he's Giants. We just pulled him in the last box. CMC. Joe Namath. DeMarvion Leal. I'll have to look him up. I don't think there's our auto. Speaking of Sam Howell, again, now some color. On the blue. 30 out of 75 on that one, so Washington getting a couple cards. I think that was a mini going to Adrian Whitehall. And our favorite, oh man, these are nice. Desmond Ritter, 15 out of 99. Mosaic, these cards, I like these. I know they're college jerseys and they don't sometimes hold up value, but Mosaic is pretty nice. Where's Kevin? He'll be happy with this one. Hutchinson, 5 out of 49. That's a sweet card. On the purple. Aiden. At least he's not going to kick the shit out of Ohio State this year. Eagles, thanks, John. Appreciate it, brother. Write that down. I'm going to have to make a list soon, because if I do decide to do score, which I might be drunk or messed up in the head. Dean Eagles. I'll double check everything before while I'm shipping. And the last card was Saquon Barkley. That's going to be a prism going to the Giants. All right, now, okay. We're going to hold off on that till the end. Let me sleeve up these rookies just about. Save me time. It's a redemption, boys. We'll do that last. Don't put any guesses in yet. Sam Howell kind of break. Sam Howell to the moon, Adrian. Mr. Garrett. Don't kill Baker. Nick Chubb. Enough with the Michigan. David Ajabo wasn't that guy that got hurt, I think. So he dropped a little bit. Hope that's the redemption. Tua. George Pickens. Going to that Pittsburgh team. T-Law. Tolbert. That's going to Dallas. Joey B. So Bengals. Bradshaw. Where'd he go? To L.A. Tech. Wow, that's old school. Oh, there's an auto. So one redemption. All right, let's do the number cards first. Don't get started. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. LSU. See what's number 2. 14 out of 75 on that one, going to Kansas City, and Jason believes PC. It's a cool card. Tannehill. 58 out of 99 on that one. Here's that DeMarvion Leal, so I have to look him up. 20 out of 75. So numbered rookie of him. Then we had this guy we pulled a 101 out of Legacy. Isaiah Spiller rookie. That's going to be a Prism. That's a sweet card. Matthew, I believe that is his go-to team with the Chargers. Matthew Murray. Nice. Prism Spiller. Tolbert. Oh, that's it. Now the rookie. Let me sleeve these up, and then we'll do the auto, and then the redemption. I didn't realize how many rookies were going to be in this. Or inserts. Jesus. Okay. Do this and just base. First auto, or second auto technically. First one's redemption. Oh! Let's go, Chris Olave, baby! Let's go from the Ohio State University. Nobody wanted to take him. The team sat there for 3 days. Kevin Mulder, baby! Yeah, I'm getting excited because he's a Buckeye and I love the kid. Nice hit. Nice mini hit. Chris Olave. Oh, yeah. Mr. Kevin Mulder. Nice hit, buddy. If you're looking to get rid of it, let me know. Since it's still in Ohio State, I might be interested. But if not, it's fine. But if you are, you can talk. I'm not sure even what he goes for. Alright, let me pull up our little theme music. Hold on for the redemption. Chris Olave. That was sweet. So yeah, those mosaic boxes are nice. Nobody wanted the Saints either. Hold on, I gotta find. Alright. Where is. It's been a while since we had a redemptions. I gotta find our music.
On every vacation at a verbal home, there's someone like you.
Yeah, shut up, you ads. Alright. Redemption, 1 guess per person, and go. 1 guess per person, you get it right. $5 box break sports credit. Lucas, they're evil. Don't ever do that again. I know there's a delay, so I'll wait a couple seconds. Boom, boom. Alright, I see James Cook, Pickett, Hutch, Howell, Drake London, Coral. Hopefully it's a nice one. We'll see. Alright. Good luck, guys. Appreciate the patience and the break that everyone that jumped in right away. It took a little bit, but it ended up being a pretty nice break. So, screw everyone else that didn't want to get in. Autograph, Mosaic, card 12. Drake London! Who had it? Drake London, John Scrum. Called it. Drake London Redemption. Scrum is on fire a little bit. That was a nice ass box, I would say so myself. So you get the card and the $5. I wasn't sure if he was on Atlanta, but that's probably why you guessed it, because that's your PC. So Drake London on the redemption. Nice hit, John, and you got $5 credit. All right, let's do a recap, guys. That was pretty decent. I mean, the first two boxes were retail, so you know it was like hit or miss. But that Mosaic box was pretty damn nice. Nice guess, John. All right, let's do a recap. And Jimmy got some more Chubbas, or at least one Chubba. I'll throw that in the case. Because, all right, here a recap real quick over. This is probably rookies, base hits, etc. Numbered cards. We'll mix it up. We'll throw up some baseball or some basketball. Change up. Maybe people got bored with all the football. Isaiah Spiller, rookie, from Texas A&M. That was a prism. DeMarvin Leal, blue. 20 out of 75 on that one. Tannehill, 58 out of 99. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, 14 out of 75. Sam Howell, 30 out of 75. Trey Lance, youth movement insert for Prestige, going to the Niners. Kenneth Walker the third on the shiny insert. We had Jeremy Ruckett for the Jets. Cooper Kupp, regular base heroes card. Then we had the rookie offensive tackle Akeem Ikwanu for the Panthers. Desmond Ritter, base for Prestige. Devondre Campbell, 78 out of 249 on that one. Then we had the nice Jameson Williams insert for the Lions. Aiden Hutchinson, rookie base for Prestige. Joe Montana, that was 178 out of 199, purple on the Prestige. Malik Willis, base rookie, Tennessee. Purple, that was 52 out of 149, Derek Carr. Then we had the rated rookie from Optic, Jamar Chase. We had a Kyle Pitts rated rookie. Joey B, this one was numbered for Prestige, 41 out of 75. Sweet looking card. Heroes, numbered a little off center, just a tad. 245 out of 449. Chuba Hubbard, going to Jimmy, pink rated rookie. Desmond Ritter, Mosaic, this was the first pack, 15 out of 99. Aiden Hutchinson, that was 5 out of 49, so a little shorter print there. Drake London autograph, going to the Falcons, redemption. And then Mr. Chris Olave from the Ohio State University. Sweet card. I love his autograph. Very nice hit. All right, boys and girls, I appreciate it. So this will be combined with the other two breaks. I'll probably do 2 or 3 more breaks, then shipping will go out. So it'll be another, probably by the end of the week. I'll get a couple more breaks in just to save on shipping, because shipping went up again. I don't spend under $90 shipping like 20 packages, 25. It's crazy. Keeps going up. Thank you, post office. I know I work there, but it's unbelievable how many times they can raise the postage. But it is what it is. So, on that note, I'll look to put up some baseball tomorrow. I appreciate you guys. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Kevin. Nice guest, John, again. So you got $5 credit. I got some mem coming, hopefully. Some cool things coming at decent prices I picked up. So we'll look to get either a basketball or maybe with a baseball and then basketball. Mix it up a little. We'll go back to just one box for now. This way it doesn't take a long time. I understand, times are tough or whatever. I appreciate you guys. So we'll continue with the cheapage. We'll just do, unless it's like retail, then I'll throw in several boxes because that's cheaper. But when we got a hobby box, we'll just do one at a time for now. And it's this way we can fill and not wait 3 days to break. So, all right, guys, that's it for now. Appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Later.